This is our 2-port DP dual monitor KVM switch. In the front, we have a menu switch button, a hotkey on and off switch, 2 extra USB ports, and another USB port for set keyboard and mouse. Also audio and microphone. On the back, these 3 cables are connecting to computer 1, and these 3 cables are connecting to computer 2. These 2 cables are connecting to all monitors. DC power adapter and wire remote control. This KVM switch requires every computer to have 2 DP ports. After you set up all the cables, you should turn on the KVM switch first, then start up your computers. The special USB cables that connect between computers and the KVM switch is for USB audio and microphone transmission. So please make sure you plug into your computer. If you want to use a headphone or a speaker, you can use the front audio port of the KVM switch directly. There are 4 switching ways you can use to switch between 2 computers. We can use keyboard hotkeys, mouse wheel, front menu button, and wire remote control. When you use the keyboard hotkeys and mouse wheel switching, you want to make sure the hotkey switch is on. When the hotkey function is on, the green LED light is on. We are currently on computer 1, and now let's switch to computer 2 by using the keyboard hotkeys. Next, double-click the mouse wheel to switch back to computer 1. Front menu button switching. The wire remote control switching. We hope you find this video helpful, and thanks for watching.